Yeah, I'm really excited to talk through what an MCP server enables when connected to your Knapsack account. And one of the things that a MCP server provides is just this ability to take an LLM and give it superpowers. So let's say that I had today someone we have a new product coming out, and I say I'm launching a new product called Bear Hug and need a landing page for it. Design a landing page with flowery language. We'll try this out and without our MCP server. So if we look here, I've got my MCP server. It's already connected, but I'm going to turn it off and go ahead and have Claude here generate this landing page for me. So already, this is pretty awesome that we can do this piece. But when it's building this out, it doesn't necessarily have any context around what matters to us. And we've gone through all the work of filling our design system, Toby, with our brand guidelines, our brand colors, our content guidelines. So things around voice and tone that just really matter to us. But like when Claude starts generating this page, it doesn't necessarily bring any of that to the table. So right now it's writing this content and we're gonna see what it actually comes up with. Out. So we're gonna have some interactions here. Okay. So here we have Claude just vibe coded essentially a landing page. The colors are all over the place. It took my flowery very literally. But let's see what happens when we actually have it aware of our design system. So when I turn on the MCP and then I ask Claude, recreate this landing page using our tone, our brand colors, our style guides. And what we see now is that Claude has capabilities which include going and finding what pages are available within our design system. So it's pulling in pages, it's looking for pages around brand colors, brand guidelines, voice and tone, color systems. It knows that we called that our foundations. And because we provided it with these tools, it's really using each tool to build up its own knowledge of our design system before it goes ahead and starts doing work. And when we think about this, what's actually happening here is we have an MCP server here that's connected to an MCP client. That client is the Claude, it's cursor. These are the capabilities that you have on your computer in your IDE. Our server provides that conduit to your design system. So listing pages, getting content, and basically allows you to plug that information directly into the environment that you're already working with. And you can see here, Claude says, now I understand your brand. Based on your design system, I can see this is for Knapsack. And let me recreate this landing page using your brand colors, your spacing system, and most importantly, your voice and tone, which should be plain spoken, clear, and direct. And so we see with this new design, it's already refactored based on the colors that we had in our design system, and the language is completely different. We went from this version 1 to this version, which is actually aware of what we have in our docs. So that's what an MCP server provides. It's a way for your content that you've built within your design system, that you've built up over time, to actually be used by your AI agents. I'm really excited to see what our customers do with this. Because of the way that MCP works, we're really talking about a way to connect your existing systems and your LLM capabilities to the knowledge that's in your design system. So really the sky's the limit, and I look forward to seeing the amazing things that people can build with this.